The ultimate AI smackdown, DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Get ready for an epic showdown between two of the most advanced AI systems in the world. Alright AI enthusiasts, gather round. This is the battle you've all been waiting for. Today we're pitting DeepSeek, the data diving champ, against ChatGPT, the conversation wizard. First up, DeepSeek. This AI is a powerhouse when it comes to data. Imagine a super sleuth that digs through mountains of data in seconds. It's like having a digital detective at your fingertips. Need insights? DeepSeek's got your back with its unbeatable analytical prowess. It can turn complex data into actionable insights in no time. It's like Sherlock Holmes, but for data. Now, onto ChatGPT. This AI is all about communication. This model's your go-to for smooth, human-like conversations. Whether you're chatting about daily news or deep philosophical questions, ChatGPT has you covered. ChatGPT can chat about anything from the weather to quantum physics and still sound like your best mate. It's like having a knowledgeable friend available 24/7. Think of it as your witty, well-read friend who never runs out of things to say. So, who wins in this ultimate AI showdown? Well, it depends on what you need. Each AI has its own strengths and specialties. For deep data analysis, DeepSeek's your hero. It's the ultimate tool for making sense of vast amounts of information. For engaging, context-rich conversations, ChatGPT's your star. It's perfect for when you need a conversational partner that understands context and nuance. In the end, it's not about one being better than the other. Both have their unique capabilities. It's about using the right tool for the job. Whether you need data insights or engaging conversations, there's an AI for that. DeepSeek and ChatGPT, both brilliant, both unique. Which one's your favorite? Let us know. Let us know in the comments below. That's a wrap, folks. Don't forget to share your thoughts. Like, subscribe, and keep exploring the AI universe. Stay tuned for more exciting AI content.